Omnibus claims. Omnibus claims are not allowed. Every standard textbook on patent drafting, you will find that it almost begins by telling you that an omnibus claim is not allowed. And in practice, applicants don't file an omnibus claim. So we need to introduce what an omnibus claim is so that you don't fall into drafting one. Now, omission substantially as shown and described. Substantially as shown and described is not clear from the claim. So you have to read the entire specification to know what omission substantially as shown and described means. So claims have to be clear and succinct. This does not fulfill that requirement. Or another example, a device shown and described in figures 2 to 5. Again, this is not clear because you have to cross-refer or you have to go beyond the claim to understand what it was meant. So wherever you have a reference to substantially as shown or described, or the words just shown or described, and whether it has a cross-reference to something else or not, you would regard this as an omnibus claim. Now, why are these claims not allowed? They violate the mandate of section 10. Now, the 10 requires that the claims be definite, that the claims define the scope of the invention, and that the claims are clear and succinct. So it does not satisfy these conditions, and that is the reason why omnibus claims are not allowed.